It's your boy Smith, that dude the barber, representing that all hands, no nonsense movement, man. And today we're gonna break down the RawNUnKut newly dropped razor holder. Alright? Real quick. As you can see, it's a little different than your traditional holder. It's small, compact, nice, sleek design. It's officially called a Kamisori style razor holder. And today we're breaking it down from start to finish on how I go about installing this bad boy. Let's get it. Squat. Alright, so yeah, like I said earlier, we're going to go ahead and give you a full breakdown of how we install this blade. Again, nice, sleek design. Very easy to get to all your hard to reach area. There is no handle in the back end, making it that much easier to get there. I'm talking your jawline, nape area, mustache, eyebrows, so on and so forth. So yeah, if you're curious or you have issues getting to any of those areas that I mentioned before, this is definitely the tool for you. It's typically a double-edged razor blade holder. Very easy to install, very easy to handle. You can get the razor blade of your choice. Obviously, we got our own. It's just like Jordans, man. So you ain't gonna wear no Jordan shoes without the Jordan socks. So let's go ahead and collaborate that like we should. You snap those blades in half, preferably in the paper. It's a little safer that way. And they come out a half blade. And to install the blade, as you can see, you have the slit right there in the back end. And what we do is we pinch that slit so it can gap open on the opposite side, as so. And then what you want to do is you want to drop the blade in there. I wouldn't slip it in there, but drop it in there. The unique thing about this holder is you can manipulate how you want to position that blade. So if you're the type that like to do overexposed, you can do so. If you're not comfortable with the overexposed, obviously you can bring it all the way down, the safest standard position. My favorite is actually slanting the blade. So in the front, I'll have it standard. In the back end, it'll be overexposed, sitting at an angle, sort of like this, for better access to harder reached areas. Also, you don't have to worry about putting your back or your spine in awkward positions just to reach those back taper designs, as well as the eyebrow shaping that we have to go through. All right? But wait, that's not it. The best thing about this blade is not only the easy installation or the easy adjustability, but how you exit the blade when you're done shaving, okay? You do not have to physically touch the blade to take that blade out and enter it into your razor disposal. All you have to do is, again, pinch the back end of this handle and it'll exit straight out right into your razor disposal. Okay, so you have less likely of a reason to cut yourself any further after you're shaving. The only time you actually need to physically touch the blade is when you're installing the blade. All right, and last, sanitation, which we all know we can't forget about that. I have plenty of people asking me, how do we sanitize this bad boy? And as you can see right there, you got that nice sharp slit. And what you do is you add a little pressure, bringing that off, separating this tool, which gives you quick access in between this tool, which also gives you the ability to clean all the access here that reaches in between this tool throughout the day. Now, I would recommend you at least clean this tool within 2-3 services, okay? But again, very easy to clean. Of course, you can put it into your barber side as well. That way it cleans it a lot more further, takes all the other germs away as well. But again, to install the blade and put it back together, you put it right there, at least a quarter of the blade holder, and you just push forward. And again, that's how quick it is to put it together and disassemble that blade and get straight to your next service, saving you a lot of time, a lot of effort, and a lot of strain off your back. So y'all already know what it is, man. If you guys are interested in getting a hold of this tool, all you have to do is visit RawNUnKut.com, make your purchases, and if you have any questions, any inquiries, you can definitely hit us up on the Instagram at RawNUnKut_NN. All right, stay tuned for more video, more content on educational ways of using this tool. Different ways of using it, from freestyle, beard shaping, eyebrow shaping, so on and so forth. Let's get it. Squat.